Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Leap Podcast, where every lesson helps you grow. I'm Rose.
And I'm Jake. Hello, everyone.
Jake, how are you today?
A little disappointed, actually.
Why?
I took an online grammar test yesterday. I got 90%.
Jake, that's excellent.
Thank you. I felt proud for about 1 hour.
What happened after that?
A customer called my work, a real person, speaking fast.
And?
I understood maybe 20%. 20.
Oh, Jake.
90% on paper, 20% with a real human.
How did that feel?
Confusing. If I know the rules, why can't I understand people?
Jake, that question is exactly our topic today.
Please tell me you have an answer.
I do, and it might surprise you.
I'm ready. Hit me.
Stop studying grammar. Just listen.
Wait, what? You're a teacher on this podcast.
I know. Let me explain everything. But first, a small request.
Yes, if this episode helps you, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to English Leap Podcast. It is free, and it helps more learners find us.
And share it with a friend who scores well on tests, too.
Thank you. We love our listeners. Okay, Jake, let's talk about that phone call. Jake, why did you study grammar so much?
I wanted to understand English, speak it correctly.
A very reasonable goal. But here's the problem. Grammar teaches rules. Real conversation doesn't wait for the rules.
What do you mean?
People talk fast. They skip words. They mix sounds together.
That's exactly what happened on the phone.
Grammar gives you a map, Jake. But a map doesn't move your legs.
I need to actually walk.
Exactly. Let me show you with a small picture.
I'm listening.
Imagine learning to dance from a piece of paper.
A paper with steps drawn on it?
Yes, left foot here, right foot there, turn now.
I could memorize the whole page.
But could you dance to real music?
Probably not. Real music doesn't wait for me to check the paper.
Exactly, Jake. The paper teaches steps. Music teaches rhythm.
And grammar is the paper.
Yes, listening is the music. Here's a second picture, Jake.
I like pictures. Go on.
Imagine you have a paper map of a new city.
Okay.
You study it. You know every street name.
Sounds like my grammar book.
Exactly. Now imagine driving with a GPS instead.
It talks to you in real time.
Right. Turn left in 200 meters.
It reacts to the actual road, not just names on paper.
That's listening, Jake. It reacts to real English happening right now in your ears.
The map shows me the streets. The GPS teaches me to actually drive.
Perfectly said.
So my grammar test was the map.
And that phone call needed the GPS.
My GPS was completely broken, apparently.
It just needs more practice, Jake. That's all. Jake, can I test you for a moment?
Test me? A little nervous, but okay.
Just a little. Which sounds right? I know like it or I don't like it?
I don't like it. Easy.
How did you know?
It just sounded right. I didn't think about rules.
Exactly. Next one. She was go to school or she went to school?
She went to school. The first one hurts my ears a little.
Your ears told you, not a textbook.
My ears are smarter than I thought.
One more. He has already went or he has already gone?
He has already gone, definitely.
3 questions, 0 grammar rules used.
I never once thought irregular verb, past participle.
You just knew because you've heard these patterns before.
So all those podcasts, songs, shows I've watched.
Your brain was quietly collecting patterns the whole time.
Even when I thought I understood nothing?
Especially then, your ears never stop working. Jake, think about a song you know completely.
Oh, easy. There's a song I know every single word of.
Curious, did you study it with a notebook?
No, I just heard it 100 times.
And now the words live inside you.
Without any effort, really.
That's exactly how listening builds English too. Slowly, quietly, without a notebook.
So I don't need to study it, just hear it again and again.
Exactly. It's like water on a stone.
Water on a stone?
You don't see it changing day by day. But months later, the stone is smooth.
I like that picture. Slow, but powerful.
Very powerful, Jake. More than most people realize. So, Jake, here's my challenge for you.
A challenge? Okay, I'm ready.
20 minutes of listening every day this week.
Just listening? No grammar book?
No grammar book, just English in your ears.
What should I listen to?
Anything you enjoy. A podcast, a song, a short video.
What if I don't understand everything?
You won't, and that's completely fine.
Really?
Really, don't stop to translate every word. Just let the sounds move through your ears.
Let it in without fighting it.
Exactly. And when should you do this?
I could listen while cooking dinner,
Perfect.
or while doing the dishes, or on the bus to work.
2 things happening at once. Very efficient.
20 minutes every day. No pressure, just listening.
That's the whole challenge, Jake.
I think I can actually do that.
I know you can. Okay, Jake, time for Word Corner.
5 words today?
Yes, words about learning through listening. The word is pattern, P-A-T-T-E-R-N, pattern. A pattern is something that repeats in a clear way. For example, your brain learns English by noticing patterns, or songs are full of repeating patterns.
I never noticed I was learning patterns before today.
The word is absorb, A-B-S-O-R-B, absorb. To absorb means to slowly take something in without effort. For example, children absorb language just by hearing it. Or try to absorb the sounds, not just the words.
I'm trying to absorb more English every day now.
The word is immerse, I-M-M-E-R-S-E, immerse. To immerse means to surround yourself completely with something. For example, immerse yourself in English podcasts this week. Or she immersed herself in the local culture.
I'm ready to immerse myself. 20 minutes a day.
The word is repeat, R-E-P-A-T-E, repeat. To repeat means to do something again, more than once. For example, repeat your favorite phrases out loud. Or listening to something twice helps you understand more.
I'm going to repeat this episode, honestly.
I'd love that. The word is intuition, I-N-T-U-I-T-I-O-N, intuition. Intuition means knowing something without thinking about rules. For example, my intuition told me the sentence was correct. Or trust your intuition when you speak.
Pattern, absorb, immerse, repeat, intuition.
All 5, Jake. Wonderful. Now, say it simpler.
Kinder thoughts for language learners.
Someone says, I'll never understand real English. Say it simpler. I understand a little more every single day.
I need that one, honestly, after yesterday.
Someone says, my grammar is perfect, but I still can't speak. Say it simpler. My grammar is strong. Now I'm building my ears too.
My turn. Someone says, I always need subtitles. I'm hopeless. Say it simpler. Subtitles are a helpful tool while my ears get stronger.
Beautifully said, Jake. Someone says, I feel stupid when I don't understand a native speaker. Say it simpler. Not understanding one sentence doesn't erase all my progress.
Someone says, I'm too old to learn this way. Say it simpler. My ears can still grow stronger at any age.
I really believe that one. One more. Someone says, that phone call proved I'm bad at English. Say it simpler. That phone call showed me exactly what to practice next.
I actually feel a little better about it now.
You should, Jake. It taught you something valuable today. Okay, Jake, let's review today.
A lot to remember in a good way.
What can grammar not teach you?
How real English actually sounds and moves. That's for listening.
And the dance and GPS pictures?
Grammar is the paper or the map. Listening is the music, the real road.
And your ears already know things?
More than I thought, my intuition often beats the textbook rule.
And learning without realizing it?
Like a song I know by heart without ever studying it.
And your challenge this week?
20 minutes of listening every day. No grammar book needed.
Jake, perfect review.
I think I understand that phone call a little better now, too.
You will. Your ears are just getting started. Well, that is all the time we have today.
And I have 20 minutes of listening to plan.
Thank you so much for listening to English Leap Podcast.
Yes, thank you everyone for growing with us today.
Please subscribe to English Leap Podcast
And give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend who scores high on tests too.
Maybe it's exactly what they need to hear.
Now, our question for today.
Yes, please write in the comments below.
What will you listen to in English this week? For example, I'll listen to this podcast during my walk.
Or I'm going to listen to my favorite song on repeat.
We will read every comment.
And every one, I promise.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Keep growing every day, one step at a time.